Friend, truth seeker, have you ever felt the relentless siege of negative thoughts? Like an invading army, they storm the fortress of your mind, whispering doubts, sowing seeds of fear, and attempting to sabotage every noble endeavor. They tell you that you're not good enough, that your dreams are foolish, that failure is inevitable. And in their insidious grip, many a brilliant mind, many a passionate spirit, has been paralyzed, unable to move forward, forever trapped in a self-imposed prison of despair. This is the most crucial battle you will ever fight, the battle within. And the good news, my friend, is that victory is not only possible, but inevitable once you understand the laws governing this inner battlefield. You do not have to be a victim of your own mind. You possess the power, the inherent right, to command your thoughts, to choose what seeds you allow to take root in the fertile soil of your consciousness. Think of the vast majority of humanity walking through life, unconsciously allowing every fleeting fear, every passing doubt to dictate their emotions and actions. They are like ships without rudders, tossed about by every gust of wind, never reaching their intended destination. Their lives are a chaotic reflection of the unchecked negativity they permit to fester within their minds. Are you content to be one of them? Or do you aspire to be the master of your own mental domain, the captain of your soul, charting a course toward your highest aspirations? The great thinkers throughout history, the titans of industry, the visionaries who changed the world, they all understood a fundamental truth. Control over one's thoughts is the ultimate power. They knew that the quality of one's life is a direct reflection of the quality of one's dominant thoughts, and they developed methods, timeless principles, to silence the cacophony of negativity and cultivate a mental environment conducive to success and fulfillment. This is not about denying reality or burying your head in the sand. It is about actively choosing your mental focus, consciously directing the powerful energy of your mind toward constructive, empowering thoughts, rather than allowing it to be hijacked by destructive, debilitating ones. It is about asserting your divine right to mental freedom. If the relentless grip of negative thoughts has held you back, and you yearn to break free and reclaim your mental power, then a profound truth awaits you. Subscribe to our channel to unlock the secrets to mastering your mind, and share this message with anyone you know who is battling their inner demons. Now that your spirit yearns for liberation from the tyranny of negative thoughts, prepare for the master key that unlocks mental freedom. This is not a complex philosophy, but a practical, actionable principle that, when consistently applied, will transform your inner landscape. It is the principle of conscious thought selection. Your mind, my friend, is not merely a receptacle for thoughts. It is a powerful creative engine. Every thought you entertain, every emotion you allow to linger, sends out vibrations, shaping your reality. Negative thoughts are not just fleeting annoyances. They are destructive forces that, if left unchecked, will manifest as fear, anxiety, illness, and failure in your life. Think of a garden. If you allow weeds to grow unchecked, they will choke out the valuable plants, consuming the nutrients and sunlight. Your mind is precisely such a garden. Every negative thought is a weed. Every empowering, positive thought is a valuable crop. You, the gardener, possess the sole authority to decide what grows there. Yet so many allow their mental gardens to be overrun by the weeds of worry, doubt, resentment, and fear. The revelation is this: you cannot stop thoughts from appearing in your mind, just as you cannot stop birds from flying over your head. But you can certainly stop them from building nests in your hair. You can choose which thoughts you entertain, which ones you dwell upon, and which ones you nurture with your precious mental energy. This is the essence of conscious thought selection. How then do we apply this master key? Through a vigilant and unwavering commitment to mental discipline. First, become the observer. Before you can silence negative thoughts, you must first become aware of them. Practice mindfulness. Catch yourself in the act of worrying, doubting, or complaining. Recognize the thought, but do not attach to it, do not judge it, and do not feed it with emotion. Simply observe it, acknowledge its presence, and then consciously choose to pivot. Second, understand the power of replacement. The mind abhors a vacuum. Simply trying to stop a negative thought is often fruitless. The more you resist it, the more persistent it becomes. The true power lies in replacing it with a positive, empowering thought. When a thought of fear enters your mind, immediately replace it with a thought of courage. When a thought of lack arises, replace it with an image of abundance. This is an active, deliberate process that requires conscious effort initially, but with practice, it becomes a powerful habit. Third, harness the power of your definite chief aim. Your burning desire, your singular purpose, is your most potent weapon against negativity. When a negative thought attempts to derail you, immediately bring your definite chief aim to the forefront of your mind. Visualize its fulfillment. Feel the emotions of its achievement. This powerful, positive focus will instantly displace the negative intrusion, much like a bright light dispels darkness. Fourth, guard your mental diet. Just as you choose what food you put into your body, you must meticulously choose what information you allow into your mind. Limit exposure to negativity in news, social media, and conversations. Surround yourself with uplifting people, inspiring books, and empowering content. What you feed your mind, it will grow. This consistent, deliberate practice of thought control is what leads to the gradual, yet profound silencing of negative thoughts. You are reprogramming your subconscious mind, forging new neural pathways, and creating a mental environment where positivity, creativity, and success can thrive naturally. It is the silent, ongoing victory that precedes all external triumphs. If you are ready to reclaim your inner peace and empower your mind to serve your highest good, then a life of clarity and purpose awaits. Subscribe to our channel for more transformative wisdom and share this vital message with anyone striving to master their mental domain. Now that you possess the master key of conscious thought selection, what will you do with this profound power? Will you continue to allow the uninvited guests of negativity to reside in your mental sanctuary, or will you assert your sovereignty and evict them once and for all? This is not a mere suggestion, it is a command. A command to reclaim your divine right to mental freedom and to build a fortress of positive thought. I command you to act now. Begin today with unwavering resolve to become the vigilant guardian of your mind. Make a conscious decision that no negative thought will be entertained, dwelt upon, or nurtured in your mental garden. When one arises, acknowledge it, and then immediately and deliberately replace it with an empowering, positive counterpart. Your mind is your most valuable asset, the very foundation of your existence. You wouldn't allow strangers to wander freely through your home, disrupting your peace and stealing your valuables. Why then would you permit destructive thoughts to roam unchecked in the sacred space of your mind? Assert your authority. This will require discipline, especially at first. The old habits of worry and doubt may try to reassert themselves. But remember, every time you consciously pivot from a negative thought to a positive one, you strengthen your mental muscles. You are literally rewiring your brain, creating new pathways of positive thinking. Carry your definite chief aim always in the forefront of your consciousness. Let it be the lighthouse that guides your thoughts, the magnet that attracts only what serves your highest good. When doubt whispers, let your unwavering vision roar back. When fear tries to paralyze, let your purpose propel you forward. Embrace silence. In quiet contemplation, you can observe your thoughts without judgment and exert your control. Engage in meditation, even for a few minutes daily, to practice this mental discipline. Read inspiring books, listen to uplifting audios, and surround yourself with individuals who embody positivity and ambition. Your environment plays a crucial role in the thoughts you attract. Your journey to lasting mental peace and unstoppable success begins with this command. Take absolute control of your thoughts. It is a continuous process, a daily triumph, but one that yields immeasurable rewards. For when your thoughts are aligned with your highest purpose, when faith replaces fear and positivity reigns supreme, you become an unstoppable force, a master of your destiny. May your mind become a sanctuary of peace, a wellspring of positive energy, and an unstoppable force for the creation of your most extraordinary life. The human mind can achieve anything it can conceive and believe. If this message has empowered you to take command of your inner world and embark on a journey of profound mental transformation, then do not keep this vital truth to yourself. Subscribe to our channel for continued wisdom and guidance, and share this revelation with anyone who longs to silence the noise of negativity and unleash their true potential. Together, we build a world of conscious creators,